Me vividly remember Monday, August 6, 1962. Yes, it was a jubilant day for true. Oh, what a hula baloo! Jamaica Independence Day was finally here, and the exciting news was everywhere. It was the headline in the Daily Gleaner and the Star, and the talk on the radio at JBC and at RJR. Me was only 7 when Jamaica did turn independent. And frankly, back then, me never fully understand what it rightly meant. But me remember, it was for most people mind, a prouder and more hopeful nation you could not find. Most establishments did close all over the nation, as each of the parish them planned for them own a grand celebration. One patrolling car with one loudspeaker upon the top blared the announcement of the impending activities for the Grand Independence Day event. Beautification of the neighborhood them went into gear, full swing, by whitewashing the tree trunk them and whitewashing the flowers bed stone them and house painting. Killing the fattest pullet or cow calf or ram kid or digging a piece of yam for the feast would be just a few preparation undertakings, to say the least. My little district, Glasgow, in St. Anne, and the neighboring district them form one pool, where the people them gather together at retirement primary school. The adult them and the picnic them turn out in a them Sunday best. The man them dress up in a them tweed trousers and them well-tailored vests. The woman them show up in a them madras tie head them wadded starch and iron stiff. The woman them look hot like fire. The boy them and the girl them look clean and fresh in a them finest attire. Teacher Campbell, the headmaster of the school, say one prayer and welcome the residents. Him deliver a message along the line of civic pride and independence. Everybody and him mama attentively listen, and loudly clap and cheer when August 6th, as Independence Day in Jamaica, Teacher Campbell declare. Me say, the teacher them hand out all manner of memorabilia, such as aluminum cups and mini Jamaican flags and pencils and free issue exercise books, Caramba. Some of the women them did a serve curry goat pan top of hot white rice. Bully beef sandwich and manish water did plentiful, and nice. Delights like sweet potato pudding and cornmeal pone and blue draws was a sweet addition to the coconut drops and greater cake and gizzards. To wash it down, there was ice cold beverage and aerated water. Remember the abundance and enough mango and sugar cane and coconut water. The atmosphere did punctuate with music like ska and mento. The man round the corner bust some sweet melodies pan him old banjo. The people them was singing and vibing and prancing and dancing. Boy, and them they drench from head to toe, cause of sweating. In the school hall, they buck the volume of the old record player. A more fun-loving and high-energy bunch of people you could not garner. Other people did a play card and ludo, and draft and domino. That the day there, me make enough new friend, you know. No room for making four. Me and my friend them put on one good piece of ramping, whole heap of running, hopping, skipping, jumping and stamping. Me not lie, we dey have fun galore. And when we dey come to the end of we frolic, we bid each other goodbye with some stinging bout a last lick. This is what me remember about Monday, August 6, 1962. It was indeed a jubilant day for true. It was quite the hula baloo. Jamaica Independence Day did come at last. And without any doubt, me and my friend them have a blast. Yeah, this is what me remember about that day. Me was only 7. And me will always cherish these memories for life till me leave this earth and go to heaven.